To fully express ourselves, we need better precision and more space. This is free, and it takes you way beyond the screen. With free, you can write or draw on nearly any surface, and your words or pictures will appear on your screen instantly. Free brings us back to a more direct interaction with the world around us, in part by freeing us to use one of our most personal skills, handwriting. Free's sophisticated optical tracking engine can trace anyone's handwriting on nearly any surface to an incredible level of accuracy. There has never been anything like it.
Give us a minute, Mitch.
Our OTM sensor includes a miniature laser, which sends a collimated beam to the surface. Reflections from the surface combined with internal reflections to give us some motion signals.
In fact, we invented the world's smallest three-dimensional laser interferometer.
That is truly amazing. But let me take it from here. Free is all about minimizing whatever stands in the way of your creative energy. It's got a mini touch display for notifications, lets you reply instantly, and even doubles as a headset to take phone calls.
Hi, Michael.
Write yourself a note the second you think of it. Jot down a phone number or doodle your next brainchild. Your thoughts and ideas are captured instantly on your device. Free lets you use all of your screen, turning your mobile phone into an incredibly comfortable and efficient mobile creative station. And best of all, Free is personal. So personal, it can even use your handwriting as a highly sophisticated form of biometric identification, making it much harder for someone to steal your identity.
Free is a minimal and classic design with a unique ergonomic shape so that the touch display naturally faces you and you can simply select different functions.
We also have an open platform so developers can create exciting new applications.
Together, we can change the way we interact with the digital world for everyone.
We put thousands of hours developing our motion tracking engine, and now we need your support to build the coolest mobile input device.
It's quick, it's convenient, it's familiar and personal. It's free.
Whatever happened to the days in mobile when companies were constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation and design, putting out products that were sometimes even considered wacky?
We needed to design a device that was not only an incredible phone, but also an amazing wearable.
I used to repair a lot of phones that had cracked screens or were water damaged, and did it quite frequently. And when I took apart a lot of these phones, I noticed that a lot of the brands shared similar construction and design techniques, and oftentimes used materials that were obsolete, like screws, and using rigid and fragile materials like glass and even steel, and thought to myself, there had to be a better way. We first started with a lot of different types of concepts and designs, and after a lot of iterations and testing and vetting, we really kind of narrowed it down to two designs, which was a large and a small, and before you knew it, the Portal was born.
We needed to ensure that it was not only waterproof, but also flexible, shatterproof, and wearable.
We needed to build a team of incredible people with a wide range of skill sets who are all unified to pursue our mission and break the mold of the mobile market. The problem with the mobile market right now is that the phones are all the same, and what little differentiation they have is that some are less user-friendly and some are less durable. Things like this still happen, so we're here to change that.
With the vibrant palette, clean typography and easy to understand icon set, the Portal UI is an experience that cannot be missed. Why be stuck with the same old design when you've got a new refreshing interface to play with? An interface that helps you interact, that knows what you want and works with you in the way that you want it to work.
The Portal not only has all the features you would expect, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, but also has a waterproof Kevlar-infused polyurethane body, a 6-inch flexible display, wireless charging, an unlocked network, and so much more.
Some of the biggest challenges with starting a smartphone company are all the licensing and government certifications involved, which you can probably imagine is enormously expensive. All of us here at Rubik's truly believe that we can change the world with our innovation. Even if you can't help back us, please help spread the word so we can revolutionize the mobile industry.
J'ai le temps de faire un petit jeu avant mon vol.
With votre pilot. Let's play. Jouons.
C'est un jeu de patience et de stratégie.
This is a game of patience and strategy.
You seem so confident.
Tu sembles si confiant.
Vous êtes plutôt bon.
You're pretty good.
Checkmate.
Échec et mat.
Bravo.
Next time in Paris.
È arrivato.
Hello mamma, buonasera.
Sei dimagrito, devi mangiare di più.
Faccio mangiare, ma usa il pilot, mamma. Il suo italiano ancora non è perfetto. Sincronizia.
Avevi un incontro di lavoro oggi, giusto?
You had a meeting today.
Yes, with a colleague from France.
Sì, con un collega dalla Francia.
We're going to Paris.
Parigi?
Wait, no, not what I said.
Non è quello che ho detto.
Oh, Parigi.
Parigi, sì.
All right, pack your bags.